The information provided by Crypto Daily Sun and this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. Crypto Daily Sun is not a licensed financial advisor or investment professional. The content presented does not constitute financial, investment, or legal advice. Before making any financial decisions, it is strongly recommended that you seek advice from a qualified financial advisor or investment professional who can provide personalized guidance based on your individual circumstances. Investing in cryptocurrencies and other financial instruments involves significant risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and there is no guarantee that any investment strategy will achieve its objectives. Crypto Daily Sun and this channel are not responsible for any losses or damages arising from the use of this information or from any decisions made based on the content provided. Always conduct your own research and consider your financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment goals before making any investment decisions.
Welcome to our latest guide on cryptocurrency investment. In this segment, we're going to dive deep into choosing a reliable exchange for your crypto trades, a crucial step that can make or break your investment journey. When venturing into the world of cryptocurrencies, one of the most critical decisions you'll make is selecting a cryptocurrency exchange. Your choice of exchange can significantly impact your trading experience, security, and overall success. So, let's explore how you can ensure you're choosing a trustworthy platform. Research exchanges thoroughly. The first step is to conduct thorough research on potential exchanges. Not all cryptocurrency exchanges are created equal, and finding the right one can save you from potential headaches down the road. Begin by evaluating the exchange's reputation within the crypto community. Look for platforms that have been established for a significant period and have a solid track record. Examine user reviews and feedback on forums, social media, and review sites. These can offer valuable insights into the experiences of other traders and help you gauge the platform's reliability. A reputable exchange should be transparent about its operations and demonstrate a history of secure transactions. Check security features. Security is paramount when it comes to cryptocurrency exchanges. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets that can be targeted by cybercriminals, so it's essential to choose a platform that prioritizes your safety. Look for exchanges that offer robust security features, starting with two-factor authentication, 2FA. This added layer of security requires you to verify your identity using two forms of authentication, something you know, your password, and something you have, a verification code sent to your phone or generated by an app. 2FA significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access to your account. Additionally, examine other security measures that the exchange implements. For instance, some exchanges use cold storage to keep the majority of their funds offline, away from potential online threats. Encryption protocols are also critical. They ensure that your personal and financial information is securely transmitted and stored. Regular security audits and updates are a sign that the exchange is proactive about addressing vulnerabilities and protecting its users. Evaluate the variety of cryptocurrencies offered. Another important factor to consider is the range of cryptocurrencies available on the exchange. If you're interested in diversifying your investment portfolio, you'll want a platform that supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. This allows you to explore different assets and make strategic decisions based on market trends. An exchange with a broad selection of cryptocurrencies provides flexibility and opportunities for growth in your investment strategy. Consider user experience and customer support. The user experience offered by an exchange can greatly influence your trading efficiency. A platform with a user-friendly interface makes it easier to navigate, trade, and manage your assets. Additionally, good customer support is crucial. In the event you encounter issues or need assistance, responsive customer support can resolve problems quickly and effectively. Look for exchanges that offer multiple support channels, such as live chat, email, and phone support. This accessibility ensures that you can get help when you need it, enhancing your overall experience. Review fees and charges. Before committing to an exchange, be sure to review its fee structure. Different exchanges have varying fees for trading, depositing, and withdrawing funds. High fees can erode your profits over time, so it's important to understand the cost implications of using a particular platform. Compare the fees of different exchanges and choose one that aligns with your trading frequency and volume. Check regulatory compliance. Lastly, consider the regulatory compliance of the exchange. Some exchanges operate under strict regulatory frameworks, providing an added layer of trust and accountability. Ensure that the platform complies with relevant regulations and has measures in place to prevent illegal activities, such as money laundering. In summary, choosing a reliable cryptocurrency exchange requires careful consideration and research. By evaluating the reputation, security features, variety of cryptocurrencies, user experience, fees, and regulatory compliance of different platforms, you can make an informed decision that enhances your trading experience and protects your investments. Remember, the right exchange can set the foundation for your success in the exciting world of cryptocurrency. So, take the time to choose wisely and ensure that your chosen platform aligns with your trading needs and security expectations. Your future self will thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the rest of my channel for more great content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to me. See you in the next video.